So today's video is all about IC regulator. As you can see, this is a circuit diagram of IC regulator. This is the input terminal and these are the output terminal. This is a transistor and this is its serial number. As we can apply the input from this point, we can obtain the output from that point. The two capacitors are present in the circuit. The capacitor 1 have 470 microfarad and the capacitor 2 is 100 microfarad. So, as you can see, these are the input terminals. Here we apply the voltages of all about 3 volt, 0 to 3 volt. Let me write there, 0 to 3 volt. So we can obtain 5 volt from this. How can we know we obtain 5 volt? Just look at the serial number. 78 is about positive regulator. Okay, then the 79 is all about negative regulator. Here, this is a positive transistor and 05 is a serial number. 05 means if it contains 07, then in output we obtain 7 volt. If it's 05, we must obtain 5 volt. Now, let's move on the circuit. This is 0.0 volt. And the second case, as you can see, is 5 volt. Let's apply 5 volt on input terminal. As you can see, output voltages are increasing. Okay, here we applied 5.5, 5.6 voltages and output is 4.56, almost 5. Let's write 5 there. It's round about 5 volts and let's apply 6 volts on this table. According to the table, we applied 6 volt and the output is 4.91 volt. Let me tell you, we just changed the input terminal like from this knob. We just rotate this knob and the input becomes variable, and when the input vary, the output will also vary. The next case is, let's apply 12 volt. Now, as we're rotating the knob, the voltages are vary. 12 volts. As you can see, these inputs are increasing. But output is still 4.93. Let's write there. So this breadboard last stage is 15 volts. As you can see there, this is 15 volts. As we can apply 14.5, almost 15 volts, it's still 4.93 volts. As you can. Let's again move on the table. Let's not consider these values because its last range is 15 volts, as you can see there. Here you can notice all the voltages is almost about 5 volt. So, as I told you earlier, that 5 volt is the 5 is a serial number. It means it obtains only 5 volt. So, this is a major working of regulator. No matter how much volt are applied in the input, it still obtains 5 volts because the transistor serial number is 5. This is a major working of regulator. So, if you have any kind of question, please comment below. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe, like and comment. Allah Hafiz.